Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn how to work with the reverse function. So the reverse function reverses the order of the list. We would like to write a program now in this video to reverse a list. So this is our list called fruits, and it has 4 elements: apple, banana, cherry, and pineapple. And by reverse, we mean that apple should be replaced by pineapple and pineapple should be replaced by apple, so they're changing their positions. And also banana and cherry, the same thing happens for them as well. To do that, we are simply type down the name of the list dot reverse with empty parentheses, and then I print my list here. So when I run this code, I see pineapple, cherry, banana, and apple. So originally the list was lit like this. So in the output, we see the apple and pineapple, they switched their position, and also banana and cherry, they also switched their position. So simply using the reverse function in Python, we can reverse the elements of the list. So they're going to change their position and a new list is going to be created based on this reverse function in which the elements are reversed. Thank you for watching.